Good morning po, sir. My name is Princess May Alice, and search tab and search Tony. Pre-download, select download, and then wait lang po natin. Download, save, and file, and then download. Okay. Next. Then wait lang po natin. Run. Install for all users. Next. Install. Wait lang din po natin. Finish. So yun po, punta na po tayo dito sa then search po natin is Tony. Yan. File, edit, view, run, tools, help. And then first is print hello world. And then next po is print my name, Alice Princess, Alice Princess May A. And then after po is kalimutan natin yung after po is run. Yan, nag-run po siya. So first is save. Save po natin siya. Lagyan natin ng name Alice. Yan. PY. And then save.